Medical advisory board meetings are pivotal in the healthcare and pharmaceutical industries. These gatherings provide a structured platform for healthcare professionals and key opinion leaders, KOLs, to collaborate, discuss, and address challenges in specific therapeutic areas. By identifying unmet needs and gaps in knowledge or practice, these meetings enable the development of actionable solutions that directly contribute to improving patient outcomes. Whether it's refining clinical trial protocols, generating guidelines, or offering strategic insights into a pharmaceutical product's application, advisory boards drive forward the mission of better healthcare delivery. The significance of advisory board meetings lies in their ability to combine diverse expertise. Practicing clinicians bring real-world insights from patient care, while researchers contribute scientific rigor and innovation. When these perspectives converge with robust literature reviews and data, the outcomes are highly relevant and practical. For pharmaceutical companies, these meetings are a reliable way to understand the broader landscape of their products' applications. They are also instrumental in shaping strategies for drug development, post-marketing studies, and educational initiatives for healthcare professionals. Organizing a medical advisory board meeting requires careful planning across 3 key stages: pre-meeting, meeting, and post-meeting. The pre-meeting stage is where the foundation is laid. This involves identifying and selecting the right KOLs, professionals with significant experience and influence in the therapeutic area under discussion. The choice of chairperson is equally critical, as they moderate the meeting and steer discussions toward meaningful conclusions. To ensure a productive discussion, the medical writer and the organizing body engage in thorough literature reviews, gathering data on the therapeutic area, existing guidelines, and regional challenges. For example, if the advisory board is discussing oncology treatment in the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) region, the preparation would include understanding barriers to access and variations in treatment protocols across member countries. Once the groundwork is laid, materials such as questionnaires, presentations, and pre-meeting executive summaries are prepared. These materials align participants with the meeting's objectives and ensure that discussions remain focused. For instance, a pre-meeting survey might ask KOLs about their experiences managing patients with rare diseases, which can highlight knowledge practice gaps that need addressing. The meeting stage is where the collaborative magic happens. Typically held in a professional but informal environment, the meeting begins with introductions and an overview of the agenda. The chairperson plays a crucial role in facilitating discussions, encouraging participation, and ensuring that all perspectives are heard. A significant aspect of this stage is capturing the minutes of the meeting. Medical writers use tools like audio-visual recording equipment to ensure nothing is missed. They document key points, disagreements, and consensus decisions in real time. Discussions might explore innovative treatment approaches, real-world challenges in implementing guidelines, or potential future research directions. For example, if the advisory board focuses on a novel treatment like cenobamate for epilepsy, participants might discuss its integration into current practice and barriers to adoption. The meeting concludes with a summary of key discussion points, a plan for follow-up, and clear timelines for delivering outcomes. These could range from reports and recommendations to publication-ready manuscripts for medical journals. The post-meeting stage is where the insights gathered are transformed into tangible deliverables. The first and most critical output is the Minutes of Meeting, MOM. This document provides a concise yet comprehensive summary of the discussion and is typically shared within 48 hours. The timely delivery of MOM ensures that momentum is maintained and that the insights remain fresh for participants. Following this, the medical writer updates the executive summary to reflect the nuances of the meeting discussions. This step often involves close collaboration with the KOLs to ensure accuracy and completeness. The final report is a detailed document that synthesizes the meeting's outcomes. It includes background information, insights from KOLs, comparisons with existing literature, and actionable recommendations. For instance, if the advisory board focuses on developing guidelines for managing autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, ADPKD, the report would outline unmet needs, propose clinical strategies, and suggest future research directions. If consensus is achieved, this report may be submitted for publication in a peer-reviewed journal, extending its reach to the global medical community. However, if no consensus is reached, the report serves as an internal reference for future decision-making. The role of the medical writer in this process is indispensable. They serve as the backbone of the meeting, ensuring that every stage, from preparation to documentation, is executed flawlessly. Medical writers are responsible for conducting in-depth literature reviews, preparing pre-meeting materials, documenting discussions, and crafting final reports. Their ability to distill complex discussions into clear and actionable insights is essential for the success of the advisory board. Beyond technical skills, medical writers must possess excellent communication and collaboration abilities to work effectively with diverse stakeholders. Adhering to ethical standards and best practices is critical in organizing and conducting advisory board meetings. Guidelines such as the International Federation of Pharmaceutical Manufacturers and Associations, IFPMA Code of Practice, emphasize transparency and ethical engagement with KOLs. By following these codes, pharmaceutical companies and medical writers ensure that the meetings remain unbiased and focused on advancing patient care. Best practices include setting clear objectives, maintaining open communication with participants, and delivering outcomes within agreed timelines. In conclusion, medical advisory board meetings are a cornerstone of modern healthcare strategy. They serve as a bridge between clinical practice and research, fostering collaboration that leads to practical solutions for real-world challenges. The meticulous planning, execution, and documentation involved in these meetings not only enhance pharmaceutical companies' understanding of their products, but also contribute to the larger goal of improving patient outcomes. By bringing together the brightest minds in medicine, these advisory boards continue to drive advancements that benefit patients and the medical community alike.